Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Tune Buds. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. On the left earbud, tap once to switch between ANC and ambient aware. Tap twice to enable tag through and to disable it. Also, tap twice to answer and end the calls, and tap and hold to mute and unmute microphone during calls. While you are not in call, tap and hold to activate voice assistant. On the right earbud, tap once to play pause, tap twice to go to the next song, and tap 3 times to go back to previous song. Also, tap twice to answer and end the calls, tap and hold to mute and unmute the microphone, or tap and hold to activate voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.